Eric, how you doing, man? I'll tell you here in just a second. Okay. Yeah, Speedy Tier 1 is right after this one. We're a little behind, but we're going to catch up here soon. Especially with these next few breaks are very small, so I'll be able to catch up here shortly. So I appreciate you guys' patience with me. So it looks like we're going to have the Seattle Seahawks and the New England Patriots available in this break. Seattle Seahawks and New England Patriots, both teams are going to be $8, or if you can have both for $15. So Seattle Seahawks, $8, New England Patriots, $8, or both teams for $15 if anybody wants them. Excuse me. Well, you guys are coming in here hot. Let me check the chat here. Okay. So, David claimed the Patriots first, and then Eric claimed both. So, hold on, Eric. Eric, hold on. Don't say anything yet. I definitely have David down for the Patriots because he claimed Patriots first. And then Eric, you claimed both, and at that time, Seattle was the only team left. So Eric, I have to ask you if you would still like Seattle. Yeah, David Rice, I have you at 14-28-30, saying you'd like the Pats. And then at 14-28-30, I have Eric saying he'll take both. So, David, you definitely have the Pats. And then, okay. So, yeah, David, if you want to look in chat at 14-30, 14-28-30, I had Eric saying he wants both. Right after you said you want the Pats, he claimed both. So, yeah, David, you're going to get the Patriots at 8. And then Eric E. Eric, are you Sherry by any chance, Eric? $8. David, $8. I'll put the PayPal. Speedy, you came in at 14-28-45. So you're 15 seconds after them. 14-28-35. Or 45. Okay, Eric, that's cool. I'll just write your name down as the same, Sherry. Since you guys are both in the break, you can both send friends and family. since I don't need to print out a label for you through PayPal, I just need to print out a label through eBay. So I'm going to put the PayPal in the chat for you both there. Yeah, it's hard to claim because when I talk, it goes through quicker for some than others. So it's just luckily enough whoever hears it first and claims first, I guess, because the fairest way we found to do this is to just whoever claims in chat first with the timestamps on the chat is who we give it to. So that's kind of how we do it. All right, so both of you, if you don't mind, please sending $8 and then let me know when you send so I can verify that. David said he's paid. So Eric, when you send that $8 for the Seahawks, just let me know so I can double check it. And then here's our owner's list. This is Plates and Patches, Hobby 1-box break number 41. Here's our owner's list. So David, you have the Patriots. And then Seahawks, there you go. A dice roll? You mean like two people both want to claim the same team or something like that? Is that what you're talking about? So here's our hobby box, Plates and Patches. Yeah, that's not a terrible idea. I could consider that. All right, so here we go. So up first we have, for the Saints, Michael Thomas. This is a base card for the Saints. This is numbered to 65. Michael Thomas and the Saints. That's going out to Sherry E. Or Eric. Sherry and Eric. Next up for the Dolphins, we have a Legends, Zach Thomas. Legends purple to 35. 26 of 35 on the Zach Thomas. Miami Dolphins are going to Robert G. Robert G gets the Zach Thomas. Up next, here's a really cool one. Check this out. Printing plate, LSU Tigers, Justin Jefferson. Scion plate. This is from Legacy. This is going to the Minnesota Vikings. This is Clay Y. Clay Y with the Justin Jefferson printing plate. Very cool. Very cool printing plate for Minnesota. All right, let's do our jersey card next. Check this thing out. Wow. For Baltimore, Ray Lewis. Canton cloth, Ray Lewis. Nice little patch in there. That's numbered to 10. Ray Lewis, Canton cloth. Numbered to 10. All right, next up, we have our auto. Who's it going to be? Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. Michael Pittman Jr. RPA, numbered to 99 for the Indianapolis Colts. 4 of 99. Colts are Sherry E. I'm going to have to get some sleeves. So we got our Michael Pittman Jr. RPA to 99 for the Colts and Sherry E. Canton cloth, Ray Lewis. Patch number to 10 for the Ravens and Timothy H. We had our Justin Jefferson Scion plate 1 of 1 for the Minnesota Vikings and Clay Y. We had our Zach Thomas Legends number to 35 from Miami, Robert G. And then we had our Michael Thomas base number to 65 for the Saints. That's going out to Sherry E. So that's going to do it for the plates and patches, guys. Special thanks to David R. and to Sherry for buying those 2 teams we have. Coming up next, we have a Tier 1 baseball break. Still some teams available on that one if you guys are interested. So I'm going to upload this video and we'll be right back with Tier 1 baseball. So thanks to everybody that was in the break and that was in the chat. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in a little bit. Have a good day.